Example 4. Determine square root of 0.017689 using factorization method. So we will repeat the same process again as the previous examples, but you will realize one big problem, one challenge that we're going to face. Let's do it. So as usual, we're going to write this expression to become a fraction of integer. This is going to be 17,689 over 1 million. So which means if you want to find out the square root of 0.017689, that is going to be square root of 70,689 over square root of 1 million. Okay. The problem is when we are trying to find out the square root of 17,689, and we are going to divide this number with a prime number and see whether or not we can reach to a solution. So let's try to divide this number with 3 first. So this is it's going to be 5. So 15 with remainder 2, so 26. This is going to be 8, then 24. Again, remainder 2 is 8 now. So 3 times 9, that will make it 27 with remainder 1 and 19. Okay, 19 and 3 we cannot converge, okay, because the nearest value is going to be 18, which is 3 times 6. So 17,689 is not divisible by 3. So what else can be divided by? Can we divide it by 2? Of course not, because this is an odd number. Can we divide it by 5? Also not, because if it is divisible by 5, this digit would be 5. So is it divisible by 6? Of course not, because 9 is an odd number. The last digit must be even if you want to be divisible by an even number. So it could be that it is divisible by 7. So let's try that. So this is 2. That will give you 14. So remainder is 3. So now 36. 7 times 5 is 35. So that's 35. Remainder 1. So you bring down 8. 7 times 4. 7 times 2. That is 14. Remainder 4 and 49. 49 is 7 times 7. Okay, so this is the result of 17,689 divided by 7. So let's see if we can be divided by 7 again. Okay, 25 with 7, that we're going to have 3. So that's 21 here with remainder 4. 42, that is 7 times 6. Okay, so that is 7 times 6 is 42. So that is a 0 remainder, then 7. So that means it is 1 here. Okay, I'm gonna clear out this area. So far we have found out one factor. So that is 17689. So that is 7 squared times 361. Okay, I'm going to delete this now. So the next challenge is to find out the factor of 361. So what could be the number? So we can do this by try and error. See whether or not we can find out to anywhere, whether or not we can converge to a result. So let's try 20 times 20. What is the result? That is 400. So 400 is a little bit more than 361. So I shall reduce that to become, say, 16. 16 times 16. What is the result? 16 and 16 is 63961. So that is 256. Okay, so that's not the answer as well. Perhaps it is 17. So 17 times 17. So that is now 17 times 17. 7 by 7 is 49. Now, okay, because the n number is 9, so we know that it's not right. Can it be 18? Of course not as well. Maybe 19. Yeah, 19 looks more promising. 19 times 19. So 9 times 9 is 81. 8. So this is 17. And 9 and 1. So that becomes 163. Okay, we've got our answer now. 17,689 is 7 squared times 19 squared. That means it is 7 times 19 squared. So what is 7 times 19? This is 63, 6, this is 13, so 133. So that is the result, 133 squared. Okay, let's get back to this calculation. So this means square root of 0.017689, that is equal to 133 over 1000. So that is equal to 0.133. Okay, the complexity of this problem is quite similar to the previous exercise, whereby we need to find out the prime factor for this number and figure out the square root of the integer of 17,689. And the solution to try to find out the square root of that number can be a little bit time consuming, and it also requires us to do some trial and error. So to simplify this, to streamline this process, I'm going to introduce to you division method, and that is the subject of the next video. So stay tuned.